Investing Health Savings Account (HSA) funds can be a strategic way to enhance your financial future while preparing for medical expenses. To start, it's essential to understand that HSAs provide tax advantages, allowing you to contribute pre-tax dollars, grow your investments tax-free, and withdraw funds tax-free for qualified medical expenses. First, consider keeping a portion of your HSA funds in cash or a high-yield savings account to cover immediate healthcare costs. For longer-term growth, explore investment options such as mutual funds or ETFs offered by your HSA provider. Many providers offer a selection of investment choices, allowing you to diversify your portfolio. Next, develop an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you are younger and can afford to take more risks, you may opt for a more aggressive investment approach, focusing on stocks or stock-based funds. Conversely, if you are closer to retirement or need immediate access to funds, a conservative strategy with more bonds and stable investments may be appropriate. Monitor your investments regularly, adjusting your portfolio as necessary based on market conditions and changes in your personal circumstances. Finally, remember that HSAs can be a powerful tool not only for managing healthcare costs, but also for building a tax-advantaged nest egg for retirement. By strategically investing your HSA funds, you can maximize their potential over time while ensuring you are prepared for future medical expenses.